Today we're going all out. This one's quick, it's easy, it'll satisfy the whole family. We got beef tenderloin and lobster, so we're gonna do a surf and turf stir fry. We're gonna use a steamer. It's gonna come together easy. It's something you can do at home. Welcome back to the Chef2k kitchen. I'm a certified Red Seal chef and I love food. All right, first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna whip up the marinade. That's what we're gonna put both the steak and the lobster in. Let's get it. This is a simple marinade. The basis is gonna be the Japanese barbecue sauce. We're gonna add a little bit of ground ginger into that, some chili oil just to kick it up, some fresh cut up garlic, and some fresh green onions. We got sesame oil as well. So we got our garlic, we got our green onions. We're gonna start it off with the barbecue sauce. Not really a barbecue sauce, more of a soy sauce consistency, as you can see. Now we're gonna add in our garlic. We're gonna add in our green onion. We're gonna add a little bit of sesame oil, some ginger. We're cheating, we got some pureed ginger. And then we're gonna use some of this chili oil. So we're just gonna go into that jar. You can see all that nice chili. That's what we want. We really don't want the oil. Not that much. It's gonna add some nice heat to it. Stir it up nicely. Let everything incorporate. Money. Okay guys, we're gonna get this lobster tail out. Take that, get a nice sharp, tough knife. Get in it, cut it right in half. Take the lobster after you've cut it in half, it's exposed here. Find the edge of the shell. Make sure it's disconnected with your finger like that. Then once you've loosened it, take the shell, take the meat, pull together. Comes out perfect. Okay, now we want nice pieces. We don't want too big, we don't want too little. I like about that size. Give you a bite. Lobster, when it cooks, it's gonna shrink a little bit. I'm gonna cut all of it. Some nice chunks like that. All right, we got a Ziploc bag here. We're gonna stuff it with this nice lobster. All right, we're gonna use a ladle here. That way I can control the actual pieces of the garlic and the green onions, and I'm not just getting one with no garlic and the other with all liquid. It doesn't need to be swimming because we're gonna just manipulate it into the meat and let it sit. There we go. That's our lobster. We're gonna let that marinate. You can go anywhere from 2 hours to overnight, really. Overnight won't hurt. Probably tastes a lot better, actually. All right, the rest of the marinade that we have here is for our stir-fried beef tenderloin. Honestly, this is one of my favorite dishes to do with my kids. My family loves it. It's good for you, and it can be done in a pretty quick manner. Get that in there just like we did with the lobster. Set it aside, and we'll ladle in the marinade. Then we'll roll it up. I'm just trying to get most of the air out of it. Massage it in there. See that color? We're just gonna let that all swim together for a little bit and marinate. All right, now clean up after yourself, organize your station, and get that rice cooking. All right, guys, we're ready to go here. We're gonna get the wok going. We're gonna get the vegetables steaming right here. First, we're gonna get the meat out of the fridge. We're gonna start to drain all that excess liquid off because we want that meat to be a little bit dry. We don't want a bunch of liquid in here when we're wok frying. Let's do it. Here we go. We've had this going for one day. It's gonna be beautiful. We're doing this over a bowl for a reason because we're gonna use that juice that drips off of this right now. Midway through the cooking process, we'll add a little bit more of that in. Take a look at that. You can see it's a lot drier. Okay, now we got our lobster. Surf and turf stir fry. Veggies right here. We're gonna put them on top of the pot in the bamboo steamer. We're gonna steam them till they're about halfway to 3/4 done. Okay, we just got the wok on very low heat right now. We're just warming the wok, getting the steel warm, getting it ready because we're gonna wanna cook it hot. Okay, wok's warm, hot to the touch. We're gonna crank that up. We're gonna do a little mixture of oils here. I've got olive oil and I've got sesame oil. And then I like to add chili oil. Want that all to heat up. Once that gets hot, like smoking hot, we're gonna throw the meat in. Okay, we got our beef here. There we go. Let's leave that, let that get a nice sear, some color. Add a little pepper to it. A little bit of salt. Always season. Get it on those hot sides. Okay, meat's about halfway. We're gonna add the lobster into the hot side where the steak isn't. Definitely not a professional wok cook, I can promise you that. We are going to be throwing our veggies in very soon. Let's see what we got here. We're gonna take this right out of the steamer, boom, in to our wok. Now we want all that caramelized sauce that's building up on the sides. We want that vegetable to steam it off. All right, guys, we're getting close. The pan's hot. A lot of the liquid's cooked off. We're gonna take this. That's the drippings from the meat that we were marinating. We're gonna pour it in, toss everything in it. We're gonna give that a cook for a little bit so everything's cooked inside of that. All right, guys, take a look at this. It is done. We're gonna take this over to our plating station and lay that on a beautiful bed of rice, and we're gonna get to chowing. See? All right, guys, everything's ready. We're gonna plate this. This is one of my family's favorite meals, so I'm gonna plate this in a big setting. I like to throw it on the table with a spoon and just let the family dig in and go at it. So we're gonna do family style here on the plating. Let's get it. First, we're gonna take our rice, that beautiful rice. Okay, make a nice bed on the bottom. We got a beautiful bed of rice. And now, the star of the show, our surf and turf stir fry. Here we go. We're gonna take a little bit of the sauce on the bottom with our wok ladle. Just make sure it gets down into that rice. We always keep a rag handy to clean the edges. I'm sure you've heard the saying before, but I'll say it again. The eyes eat first. We want that dish to look pretty and presentable. Now we're just gonna give it a beautiful garnish. We've got this fresh chives over top. That get everywhere. Beautiful color. All right, guys, my favorite part of any show that we do, we're gonna taste it. Let's check it out. Here we go. We wanna get some of that rice. We got some of that lobster. We're gonna mix some meat on it. A little sweet pea, just so we can see how everything in the dish harmonizes with one another. Let's do it. That is a money. This right here, this is a hit with your family, guaranteed, you guys. It's got everything. It's sweet, it's spicy, it's salty. Everything you want is there. All the textures are there between the steak, the lobster, the crunchiness of the vegetables, the beautiful fluffy rice. I'm telling you guys, this right here is an absolute home run. All right, guys, if you like what you just saw, please hit the like button and subscribe. Join us next time where we take you on another culinary adventure.